overstuffed New York deli-style sandwiches, discover a range of flavors at the Mirage. Choose from LVB Burgers and Bar, Cravings Buffet, Carnegie Deli, California Pizza Kitchen and Pantry, serving up breakfast and homespun favorites 24 hours a day. The Beatles' Love by Cirque du Soleil on one stage, Terry Fator, the voice of entertainment, and the greatest R&B group of all time, Boyz II Men on another. And every weekend, the laughs are in the spotlight with one of our aces of comedy performers, like Daniel Tosh, Ron White, and Jay Leno. At the Mirage, it's never the same old song and dance. Visit the Mirage Concierge or Mirage.com for tickets. Savor an unparalleled world-class specialty dining experience at the Mirage with Tom Colicchio's Heritage Steak, handcrafted Italian cuisine at Portofino Ristorante, Stack American Steakhouse, contemporary Japanese from Japonais, Brazilian-style barbecue from Samba Brazilian Steakhouse, and contemporary Chinese cuisine from Finn. Experience an exotic, enchanting, and wondrous world and come face-to-face with bottlenose dolphins, white tigers, white lions, leopards, and more at Siegfried and Roy's Secret Garden and Dolphin Habitat. Go behind the scenes with a VIP tour. Become a dolphin trainer for a day. Paint with the dolphins and practice yoga with the dolphins. Thank you for visiting the Mirage. To get more of our good stuff, like rooms, dining, and shows, join M Life. It's the ultimate way to earn rewards for virtually every dollar you spend. Sign up now with the M Life Desk, Concierge, or Mirage.com.